prijateljI.
Big nature. So what we're going to do is we're going to learn the big nature words. So we're not going to learn the little guys creeping and crawling around, but the big things that have been created. So what's the big thing that we live on? Planet Earth, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes.
So the word for Earth is Zemlja.
Zemlja?
So Zemlja. So there's an L in there.
L.
So you got Z-E-M is Zem, and then Lja is L-J-A. Zemlja.
Zemlja.
Bravo. So Zemlja is basically the word for Earth. It also kind of means ground. So like Zemlja is like, it's like Mother Earth, the ground that we walk on, Zemlja.
Zemlja.
So that LJ, that MLJ, just all kind of flows. It flutters, you know. It's like if you try too hard, it'll sound weird. So Zemlja.
Mm-hmm. Zemlja.
Bravo. So it all just kind of flowed. It all kind of went down the hatch really easy.
Mm-hmm.
Wonderful. Okay, the word for sun is sunce.
Sunce.
Bravo, Tony. Ponovi opet. One more time. Sunce.
Sunce.
So a few episodes ago, we learned how to say it's sunny. We said sunshanoye, right?
Oh, yeah.
So sunshano is sunny. The word for sun is sunce.
Sunce.
So that's also a term of endearment. You can call somebody, I'm a sunce, my dear son, my warmth, right? Sunce. Okay, moving on. The word for moon. We know this word.
We know it.
Thank you, DJ Mo. DJ Mo knows it. The word for moon is also the same word for month. It's basically the same period, 28 to 30 days. Mjesec.
Mjesec.
Bravo.
I like that one.
Ponovi opet, Tony D. Mjesec.
Mjesec.
Super. Since we're still looking up in that great big beyond us, we've got the sun, we've got the moon. We're looking up into the sky. So the sky is nebo.
Nebo.
Bravo. Nebo.
Nebo.
So
we can say the moon is in the sky or the sun is in the sky?
The sun is in the sky, right? So the moon is in the night sky, but nebo is all the stuff that's up there. The clouds are up there. The birds are up there. The sun's up there. I mean, what? Planes, helicopters, drones.
Jetpacks. Oh.
Yes. Jetpacks. Inspector Gadget flying, please. Get him around. So one of the things that we do see in the sky is a cloud. So the word for cloud is oblak.
Oblak.
Right. So oblak.
Oblak.
So we have one cloud is an oblak. Two or more clouds are oblaci.
Oblaci.
Right. So oblaci.
Oblaci.
So I'm not sure I don't remember if we learned this during our weather episode, but oblachnoye means it's cloudy.
Oh.
So we have sunshano, is it sunny? Oblachno, it's cloudy. Lots of clouds up there. Oblaci.
Oblaci.
Bravo. Okay, the night sky is full of, we got our big guy in the sky, the moon, the mjesec, even though she's probably a lady, la luna, right? In most languages, is a lady is the moon. So we have stars up in the sky, right? So one star is a zvijezda.
Zvijezda?
Yeah, bravo. A lot of Z's in there, right? Kind of like Zagreb, so zvijezda.
There's like 10 Z's in that. No, just 2.
2?
Zvijezda.
Right. So one star is the zvijezda. 2 or more stars are zvijezde.
Zvijezde.
It's a zv, right? It's not right?
Zvijezde.
Zvijezde.
Very cool, right? So it's kind of like you're almost playing with that ZV, zvijezde.
Zv, yeah. Zv.
It's like the getting electrocuted sound.
Zvijezde.
Zvijezde.
Yeah, think like a B sometime, like zvijezde, right? So that Z is very zvijezde. The long Z sound.
Electrocuted bee?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Ooh, that'd be terrible.
That's sad. Oh.
Tony D, ponovi opet, zvijezde.
Zvijezde.
Bravo. Okay, moving along, pomalo, a little bit slow. A mountain. A mountain is planina.
Planina.
Right? Planina.
Planina.
So it's kind of, it looks like the word plains in English, but definitely different. Planina is a mountain.
Planina. Cool.
And then a mountain range, or, more than one mountain, is planine.
Planine.
Right. So we have the E at the end, gives it that a plural, turns it into a plural word. That's hard to say. Planine.
Planine.
So one of the most famous mountain ranges in Croatia is the Velebit. Planina Velebit.
Planina Velebit.
Bravo. So it's one of the very popular ones. I mean, if you're on the Croatian coast and you're not facing the water and you turn around the other way, there's a huge mountain range just supporting you right back there. So that's where all the cool air can come down from and really make things uncomfortable. Or it can, it's also beautiful and clean, fresh air as well. So Planina Velebit. The word for mountain, one more time, Tony, is planina.
Planina.
Super. Ida modalia. We're going further here. The word for sea, right? So not the I see you, but sea, the one with all the water in it, all the ocean. The ocean is big, but we're going to learn the small sea because we have a sea that Croatia shares with Italy. So the word for sea is more.
More.
Exactly. So it looks like more, right?
Yeah.
Right.
More.
So we have the Adriatic Sea, and the way you pronounce that in Croatian, you say Jadransko More.
Jadransko More.
Right. So more is sea, Jadransko is Adriatic Sea. Jadransko More.
Jadransko More.
Super. Our final word of our big nature things is, if we're going to be looking along the sea and hanging out there and maybe refreshing ourselves with a nice dip in the sea, we're going to go to a beach. So Tony's going to wear his red and white checkered Speedos, right? Obviously, right?
Traditional.
DJ Mo's got his water polo cap on.
Yep.
And I got my floaties because I'm not a strong swimmer.
And your goggles?
Yes, and my goggles for sure.
Those little nose pincher thingy?
Yeah, nose pinchers. Yeah, I floaties on the floaties on the arms because I was always afraid that the one around the waist I would flip upside down and my legs would be kicking up in the air and I wouldn't be able to swim. Definitely not a strong swimmer. So the word for beach is plaža.
Plaža.
Very close to the Spanish word playa, right? So in Croatia we say plaža.
Plaža.
So one of the really awesome things about Croatia, there are beaches where they're nude beaches. Hey, very professional about it, very adult about it. But plaža, and not a lot of the beaches have sand over there. Most of them are either small stones or hard rocks. Very, very, very different than what we're used to here in California with the sandy beaches and, putting your towel out. Over there, so you're trying to find a nice, flat, smooth surface. It's hard to get.
So how do I build my sandcastles out there?
You don't. You build rock castles.
Well, actually, I could build salt castles, right? With the salt that comes up from the...
I don't think salt's jumping out of the sea, but you're definitely going to get a nice helping of sea urchins and little fishies. Oh. Yeah, those guys are ubiquitous over there in Croatia.
Some really cool tide pools, maybe then.
Like some?
Yeah, I mean that's kind of what the swimming area is like. For the most part, you're either, if you're not kind of like jumping straight into a cliff, you're going to kind of start in maybe what, a foot, Moses, foot high up to knee deep, up to waist, that you can actually walk out. And the water is so perfectly nice and clear, you can see everything that's down there. You're going to see sea urchins, little crabs. So it can be exciting. It can be kind of scary too.
Yeah.
Definitely a challenge for the little ones. And definitely
it's actually quite the opposite. My kids found it very easy because the salinity content in the ocean is higher, so floating is so much easier.
Oh, dang!
Yeah,
yes.
It's almost
I'm not a very good swimmer.
It's almost like the assist, like an extra assist in swimming. It makes it so much easier.
Yeah,
buoyant.
Yeah, beautiful, clean water. I mean, prettiest water I've ever seen.
Same.
Wow.
Okay, let's review. Let's do our big nature review here. First word we learned, Tony, was earth. It's Zemlja.
Zemlja.
Bravo. Moving along slowly. The word for sun is sunce.
Sunce.
One more time. Sunce.
Sunce.
Bravo. The word for moon, mjesec.
Mjesec.
Odlično. The word for sky is nebo.
Nebo.
Wonderful. The word for cloud is oblak.
Oblak.
Okay. The plural word, more than one cloud. Clouds is oblaci.
Oblaci.
Bravo. The word for star, zvijezda.
Zvijezda.
Super. Stars, more than one, is zvijezde.
Zvijezde.
Bravo, Tony. The word for mountain, I'm going to make DJ Mo do some work here. The word for mountain is planina.
Planina.
Bravo. And the word for mountains or mountain range is planine.
Planine.
Bravo. So we have the very, very famous mountain range in Croatia, Planina Velebit. Got it.
Planina Velebit.
Super. Tony D, back to you. The word for sea, that salty thing that we like to swim in and take ferries on and take boat rides on and, enjoy in so many ways. More.
More.
Bravo. So it looks like more in English, but it's more.
More.
Would you like some more, Tony?
Some sea?
Yes. So
I would love some sea, thank you.
The sea that we have in Croatia is the Jadransko More.
Jadransko More.
Right. So the accent's on the first syllable. Jadransko.
Jadransko More.
Jadransko More. Bravo. Okay. The word for beach is plaža.
Plaža.
So, Tony, I'll see you at the beach. Is the plaža?
What? Oh,
I'll see you at the plaža. Može?
Kukuruz.
Don't forget to hit subscribe
and smash that like button.